Welcome, welcome. Welcome, millionaires, billionaires, and future trillionaires. As always, I aim to bring you truth, knowledge, and wisdom to assist you in your journey through crypto. So, guys, we're going to take a look at the charts and we'll see where we are. I'm going to leave this here as, as a guideline to figure out where we are as the chart move up, guys. So we are not distracted as what's going on. So right now, guys, is the time to stay focused. Um, these are the defining moments that will determine the rest of your life. So these next few weeks is the time you want to stay focused. You don't want to get distracted. So anything that's happening around your life, just put more attention toward crypto, toward the charts, and focus, guys, because it's going to take a few weeks and a few months to make your money. And if you are not careful, guys, you're going to end up getting in at the top or not even getting in at all because there's a lot of people waiting on the sidelines thinking the market's going to crash and they are about to miss this boat, guys. So allow me to put things into perspective for you. So I'm pretty sure a lot of you recall if you are already in crypto. Okay, before we move on, guys, I want to share this clip with you to help you understand how did we get here, or personally, how did I arrive here. This has been a long journey, arduous journey, guys. It's been about 4 to 5 year journey. So this is why I say, there's no such thing as luck. You create your own luck. You create your own opportunity. And this is part of my journey here.
Everything comes from the imagination.
The mind is but a magnet for what you want.
If you can see it here and you have the courage enough to speak it, it will happen.
When you believe, everything is possible.
And they talk about manifesting. It's fucking real, man. Manifesting is real.
I've manifested things that I'm just like, I still shock myself, like, how the fuck did I make that happen?
When you figure out who you are and what you want to do, and you devote your life to it like a maniac, like you're all in on this thing, and you manifest, most of these people end up doing what they say they're going to do and being who they say they're going to become.
So before I even got into crypto, I was using law of attraction manifestation to achieve a multi-billion life a multi-billionaire lifestyle. So we are finally at the finish line, guys, and this is why I say everything is connected, guys. So, and this is why I have the confidence that I have, is because I know where I'm headed and I know where I've come from. So even though sometimes the road may be rocky a little bit, there's maybe a lot of bumps in the road, it doesn't matter, guys, because I know where I'm headed and the universe is on my side and it's sending me signals all the time. This is how you can tell if you are on the right path, is if you are seeing synchronicities in numbers or in other things. That's the universe sending you signals. You are on the right path. Keep going. Stay focused. So if you miss this pump that is coming, then you will be faced with the decision whether you are going to make it out alive or not in whatever's going to happen. Because okay, let's say if you miss this pump here, because a lot of people are going to miss it and they won't take advantage of it, or they'll just be trying to jump from one project to the next project instead of just buying and holding and be patient. You don't want to be you don't want to be that person. So if you miss this pump that's coming, we may see even a few months or even a few years of another bear market, guys. So if you are in crypto at the present moment, you knew how long it took us to start pumping. Take a look at things on a bigger time frame here. Okay, on a monthly time frame. So before we even had this little bull cycle, we've had 3 to 4 years of a bear market, guys. So what's going to happen here is a lot of people are going to miss the boat because they're listening to wrong information. So once we pump and then we retrace again, it's going to be a long bear market, guys. It may be longer than a few years. It is a possible scenario because everything's going to be crashing. But you want to make your millions here on this pump that is coming. And the idea here is once you make your millions and then you start trading Bitcoin on spots and then you continue to make money, guys, even in the bear market. So that's the whole idea. And I've determined that even during the bear market, guys, we can we can get together and then launch some coins at certain times. I mean, we would have to watch and pay attention to the 12-hour time frame, the daily time frame, and then once the market drops, we will have a nice retracement back up, and then that's when we can launch a certain project just for fun, just for the fun of it. It won't be any serious project. So the whole idea is get in crypto, make your money, and then secure the money and continue to grow it. Just don't listen to people that's telling you otherwise, guys, because we are all here for one reason and one reason only, is to make and grow our money. You can disregard all the noise everyone is telling you. And, a, and the thing is, if you can have fun while making the money, it's even better. So that's why you are on this YouTube channel. And also if you are in the Telegram. So the link is always in the description for those that wants to join the main Bull Run Telegram group. And this is where we'll be celebrating this pump that is happening. So in the previous video, I told you we were expecting a retrace or just a straight pump from, I think we were at 67. We did have a little pump, but we are still consolidating a little bit, guys. We may still retrace at the 64 before we pump, before we continue higher. So in the previous video, I was expecting a retrace back to the trend line, which would be at the 64 level, high 64s, right here, high 64, mid 64s. We may see the retrace happens, and then we continue up higher, guys. Or based on what's happening here, there's a lot of resistance, and we may see the big money just flow in and just break out on the daily and on the weekly time frame. So long term, everything is bullish. So just be patient, guys. Whatever you're doing, whatever you're going through, just tough it out and endure the little difficult times if you are, because difficulty doesn't have to be with well, we'll probably just make another video, so I don't want to keep the video too long, guys. Just stay focused. That's the whole takeaway from this video: stay focused, keep an eye on the charts, because it's gonna happen so quickly. By the time you know it, you've already missed the pump, guys. So I'll see you guys in a Telegram. Peace.